Hey guys, this is Taylor here, and today we are solving first question of weekly contest 467. So question name is earliest time to finish one task. Let's try to read the problem. You are given a 2D integer array task where task of I equal to S or T. What S and T are? S and T are with like represent the task with start time and takes t units of time to finish. Okay. Return the earliest time at which at least one task, at least one, okay, task is finished. So we let's try to read the examples. 1 comma 6. So 1 is the start time, 6 is the duration that will be required to complete it. 2 is the start time and 3 will be the duration to complete it. So far. Answer is 5. How answer is 5? So first task starts at 1 second and finishes at 6 seconds. So sum is 7. Second task starts at 2 and takes 3 seconds. So it will finish at 5/5 second. It first was finishing at 7 second. Second was finishing at 5/5 second. So which is the minimum? I think 5 is the minimum. So what, like, I think question is pretty simple. What we need to do? We need to just sum these things. Okay, we'll just sum these guys up. We will take the minimum of all and we will return our answer. How that is correct answer? Because let's say what is given to us 1623. 1623. So this is basically start time, right? And this is the duration. So how much time this block will take? I think the start time plus duration, right? This will take start time plus duration, 2 plus 3. So it is taking 5 seconds. Like not 5 seconds. It is taking 3 seconds, but it is completing at fifth second. It is completing at fifth second. It is completing at seventh second. Okay. So what I need to do? I need to find out the earliest time at which at least one task is completed. So more than one task is completed, it's fine. But I need to find at what time at least one task is completed. So in this case, I think at fifth second, one task is completed. So that's how we will just uh, take a sum of these guys, internal guys, and we'll return our answer. We'll keep taking the minimum. So that is our answer. I think question is pretty simple. We can go ahead to write its code. Superb. Now, okay, I will take a mini which will start from infinite. Now I will assign some. Okay, let's do like this. I in range n. I can take something like this: x comma y equal to task of I. So I'm just picking out this values. Now I will check mini equal to minimum of mini comma x plus y. Simple. In last I will just return mini. Easy. Let's try to submit. Okay, I think it is working fine. Let's try to submit it. Yes, it is working fine. So I hope you understood this question. I think question is pretty simple. We just need to take some of this internal guys and we'll keep taking many. So thank you very much guys for watching this video, and we'll meet in the next one. And please don't forget to subscribe. Okay.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.